Hello everybody, welcome to the first episode in the series Memories of My Childhood. You know, I was born in the 70s, grew up in the 80s and 90s, and I want to invite all of you on this journey in exploring some of the fun things that we used to do as children, you know, by revisiting our memories. You can share your fun stories too in the comment, okay? Respect.
You know no Pringe?
Yeah, man.
You can set Pringe.
Me no remember how to set it, so I want you teach me how to set a Pringe to catch bird.
Me set a Pringe for you, man.
Alright.
I remember me a Ageable, you know, sir. And me love catch bird. And they good proof, you know, brother. Yo, when you set a Pringe, young, the first thing you have to do, you have to get a plastic like this, see? You sharpen your bottom so you can push it down at the ground. See me I deal it? So now, you get placard like this. You put it so. Put it so by a piece of stick so. And make sure you put him on good that he no fly off. You understand me? And we don't want to get a nice bird. Maybe he's strong and you don't want to get to it. See? So, cut your piece of cardboard like that. Now, second thing you do now, you make a thing like this. The father call this one a nose. Make like a nose pan this. I deal with. So you go.
You call that the tie, the nose tie?
Yeah, the nose tie that you call this so. Alright, now the tricky part right now, you have to get one little piece of stick like this. You have to know what you're doing on my youth. Cause it's a trap you have set which part and to stick make it, you understand me? You have to get one piece of something like this. And you tie on the right there, so me show you. Look good, I teach you something in my youth. So you see time in there, you want to catch all a bird, and this you do.
So, what kind of bird you normally set Pringe to catch?
Why, you know one of them, you know, notion of them out touch on, you know. But you know the best bait we set for bird, herring seed, you know.
Yeah?
Yeah, man, herring seed that best bait for bird, man.
So every bird like herring seed?
The bird where you want to catch a herring seed, him love.
Which one that?
Like all barber dove, white belly, you know, all even pigeon too. If pigeon touch down close, he will get, you know. But pigeon will mostly want to eat corn and it's but any bird you want to catch, you set a bait. You understand me? That's how it's sensitive. So, we do it like so, and make sure you get a piece of something here. Well tied down in like this so.
So that the part of you?
Just cool on my youth, I trap this. So you just I trap this and set up. Just want to see it. Alright? Good. Now, you push on this in the dirt. Push it down good. Alright? Now, you test him like so. Test him like so. So, in good there so. Third step you have to do. Third step you have to make. You get some piece of something we want to show you. Third step you have to do. I'm going to piece here. Pringe, you gotta set it up. You don't know what Pringe, my youth?
Yeah, man. Back in the days, them boy used to set them in an orange rock and catch all heap of bird.
Then we used to do it, man. We used to do it, you know. Come back in the days and now. The bird we are trying to catch her right now. Right about now. Now, there's something steady which you can tap it on the ground. Now, you put this right there, so. This right there, so. like that. Feel me?
Mm-hmm.
Good. Get one of them piece. Go like this. I chop me, I say chop for you know. Yeah, chop the boy. I'll show you a preset if you don't know if it's Pringe. Now you get piece like this now. And you put it so. Just him so. See? Just him so. And me just right there so. Just him so. See?
Mm-hmm.
You know, so you get it right there so.
So when I think of you have a crotch panny like?
Then you know how see what I go on. Alright, good. Now you set it that way there. Now you have to make a wall around that.
Okay.
You have to make a wall around it. Because you want the bird to walk right through the gate. And this is the gate, you know.
Oh.
That's the gate. So what you do now? You get one piece of stick like this. Get one piece of stick like this. And you build a wall. See wall there? Easy shot, bro. Build a wall. See wall there? Build a wall so. Because you want to do one right through the gate, you know. You know what is when you do, sir?
Yeah, man.
Good. And all that you have built. You set it so. Because anyway you don't set it so. You walk around it. You get to the bait. Feel me?
Yes.
Good.
You have to wall up a bit and you walk through the gate.
Yeah, man, if you wall up, man, but he will grow, he will get smart by you, know. Because him no want to go through this, so, you know. He want to go near him. So you block him out there, so. And when you set pin for bird in the rest, you have to come move fast, you know. Because they want to come in, see him? Alright. It's like a piece of something like a needle piece or so.
Mm-hmm.
Like a piece there, so. At that I chop, you know. At that fly the chop. That little piece right there, so. You see that?
Yes.
All you put this so, no important like this. These are the most important piece. So you get piece with a piece of hook. A piece of crotch, but you understand me?
Yeah.
Piece of hook. Something like, about like this. See? And you drive it down. You drive it down right there, so. Can't find no stone, so I have to use my hammer. You drive it down, so. If you don't do it to master, the chop not going to work right. Line up it good, that's so. So you watch me, sir?
Yes, man.
Good. I print me, I set it up. You hear the blood set the print. Alright. See him there now? No. So my bird then like set it so. Come on, there so. You have to do it till you get it right, you know? But you have to watch your eye. See him there now? That ready to fly on my youth.
So like say, that look like say if a fly pitch pan you go.
Man, so you have to be careful what you do. You can't.
You have to tender with it.
You have to be much, you understand. You have to be very tender and be careful. You will look out your eye. Good. Now somebody bird they like corn or some like rice. But like come you know no me use that because they love orange seed too, you know.
Which one they love the most?
Anyone but they work with orange seed too.
Okay.
So you take one orange seed and you put it right there so. You take one there and you put it there so. Now you don't want to put too much out there so. Because in car might full.
Mm-hmm.
And no one go no further. So you put on two there so. And put the balance over there so. Feel me?
Yes.
Put the balance over there so. And more walk about there so. But see the gate now. See the gate there so. Him now go come on there so, you know. Him want to go through there so.
Man look feel wider part to go through.
The hunger we in there have to go through.
Mm-hmm.
You cut off round there so. You see same as you go through and do like so now.
Right,
See that?
you gone up in a year.
You want me to show you again?
Yes.
Good, me show you again. Since you don't understand. Easy if you understand, bro. See this up. You put this up. And you hold it in the place. And you take this piece of sticker so. You put it so. Put it so. You know, we put it at the catch pan, you know?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. And then now, you open this nose also. Careful what you do, don't shake down this one again. See me deal with, then there you see if beat there so. And the balance of food in there so. So it's when you pick up your so, and you pick up your so. And Billy say, I easy squeeze him at the riot, you know. You see him take on there so. You hold him, you know?
Yes, man.
Yeah, you hold him. See him there, who catch him?
They suppose mongoose find him before you find him.
Mongoose will find him. But I want to catch one bird before me leave for you. So me, yeah.
I know about Pringe now, so me hear about Calaban too.
Calaban.
What about Calaban? You ever said that?
I want to show you. I want to show you Calaban set. You use this as an example. Because I have the right thing with me right now for show you. You understand me?
Yeah.
So this is how you set a Calaban. When you make the thing, when fish Calaban to set with. Easy, you know. You just put it so.
Oh.
And it's good when you use a piece of fishing line.
But then can't see.
Where they don't notice. No. As an example, you the right out there so. And the long, you know. And if you not under there so. You see like how them feed and go up and down, you just pull it so. That's all Calaban is.
So Pringe harder if you set more Calaban?
Calaban harder if you set if you have to build one.
Oh.
But when you come to set it, you can set it and leave it there too, you know. Set it and leave it there, but right now.
So when you set it and leave it, how it fly?
No, me have to set that show you.
Okay, I understand.
Me have to set that show you. Me have to really set that show you so. Don't set up that that we can put here, but we can show people how Calaban set. A lot of people you can catch so too, you know. Alright.